Welcome back to our training on understanding Linux, understanding the commands, how to use the commands at ease. We'll be looking at some commands, the utility commands that can allow us. We've seen the file management command, so you can now move files, transfer, copy, create files, create directories. Here we'll be looking at the functionalities, how the system, what the system is, what the system is built with, what processes are going on. So these are the commands we'll look at. There's one command that I did not include there, which is date. You can also change the date of system using the command prompt. So this is what we'll be looking at for now. So let's get started. Okay, so I turn on my, let me open a new, and let me expand this. Alright, so this is bold enough for every one of us to see. First we'll look at the uname. The uname shows me what operating system I'm having. Now you see it prints the system information. Always remember that your man command should be your friend. Your man and your help command should be your friend, because it's going to allow you to know other flags, the other options you can use with whichever commands you're using, whichever commands you want to use. Now you can see I can use uname with the A flag to print all information. So let's quickly do that. Okay, so it's giving me the entire thing about my system. It's a Linux system, Draftsman 5.15 generic, but this might not really be arranged properly, so we can use another command to see this in a better format, now you see the hostnamectl tells me the static host name, which is this, chassis, the machine ID, the boot ID, and the operating system. Yes, the uname gave us the operating system. It even gave us the kernel, which is this, but you can see that, and it's also giving us the architecture. You can see that the hostnamectl gave us more precise information, and we were able to identify the information it gave to us. Okay, now what if you want to know how long your system has been on for? You use the uptime. Uptime, it has been up for 12 hours. This is the time, and this is how long it has been turned on. This is how many users that is available on my system. And then this is the average load time. So this is the normal speed it takes. We've seen the uname, we've seen the hostnamectl, and then we're seeing uptime now. If we've understood what the uptime is, let's quickly look at the users. Users is simply going to give me the current user of the system, which is this, and you can see that it's giving me the same name, giving me the same. So let me clear this. Alright, so I clear my screen. The widget command is used with a website. If I want to download something directly from, I want to download something from website through my command line, through my terminal rather, and dump it on my system, I can use the widget command. Or if I simply type widget and the name of a URL, to square.co, it's going to dump this very page, the source code of this very page down. Now you see saving to index.html. If I type ls, I can see index.html. HTML. Yeah. Let's see what we have in index.html. This is the script for the site. So you can simply use widget to get the source code of the website, and then you can also download from the website using widget. Like I always say, you can get more of the options you can use with widget using your man option to see. You can do this on your own. Check out other options you can use and how you can use them. So we get to the next one, which is free. Free shows me details about my memory. This is my memory. So free shows you your available memory. I have swap memory. My swap memory is 9 gig, and while my system memory is 8 gig. And so it's going to show you what is being used and what is being free. That's what you can see here, and then it will make you understand what if your memory is being used up, if you still have memory to make use of. So that's the command. That's the command for the memory. The next is the top. Now this is showing me the top processes I have. My screen is too big. It's supposed to show me the name. This is also supposed to show me the name of the different processes. Now you can see that the memory, the percentage, the CPU percentage, and the CPU memory. Here you'll be able to tell which system is demanding on the system, which process rather is more demanding on the system, and then you can either stop it or you stop other ones. That's, let me see if I'm going to see this. Okay, so I think because I increased the size of my font, but if you look at yours, you should be able to. Okay, let's do that again. Alright, now these are the different applications, because you might not be able to tell from the PID, that's the process ID, you won't be able to tell which application is open. But here you can see the application that is open, and then you would know which one is demanding the system. And with here you will be able to tell which application you didn't open that is running and why it should be running. So you can take your time, go through the top, and then see what more you can do with it. Okay, we already know the shutdown code, the shutdown command. We already have an idea of what the shutdown would do for us. If I do this, my system is going to shut down, so I'm not going to use that command. You can use this to shut down your system, and then you can just look at some flags. You can use it to reboot the system, but for each of them, right, so you can see you can power off, you can reboot, and then if you want it to reboot or power off immediately, then you do the shutdown. If you're using the P flag, then dash P now, so it's going to do that immediately. Next, I want us to see how to change the dates. To change the date, I can set my current date is March 22nd, and then this is 43 minutes past 1, or 60 minutes to 2. So I can change the date by using the S flag, and then let me put it at 19 April 2023, and the time is 14:00:00. Oh, I need to be a root user to do this. Okay, so the time has changed. Okay, it's not changing because I set this to automatically collect online. My time is set to automatically updates from online. So okay, so this is where I'll end this. So we've likely looked at all the commands I listed out for utility. So in our next tutorial, we'll be looking at different network commands on Ubuntu. Thank you.